Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. I want to welcome all of you to the channel. Here, we share apps that can help you secure your connection and improve your online experience. In this video, I'll show you a VPN app that can help protect your connection while you're online. The app is available on the Google Play Store and it's called RNV Tunnel VPN. Open the Play Store on your device and search for RNV Tunnel VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app and install it. Once installed, tap Open to start the setup. If you're new here, take a moment to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Once the app opens, you'll need to adjust a few settings. First, update the app resources. Tap the Update button and select Online Update. This ensures the app has the latest configurations and can provide the best service for your connection. Next, choose a server. I recommend using Auto Select Server because it automatically picks the best working server for your location. If you prefer, you can also select a specific server manually. After that, choose a connection method. For this guide, we'll use All Country UDP, which is fast, secure, and works in all countries that support UDP. If UDP is not available in your country, simply select your country from the list. Finally, to start a secure and fast connection, tap the Start button. The app will connect, and your internet will now be secured with extra protection. That's how you set up RNV Tunnel VPN to get a fast and secure connection while online. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.